Highly drug-affected occupant. Open the door! He's running the car. He's running the police car.
On the 11th of December 2019, a bus was reported stolen in Drive-Thru, Queensland. At around 8:10 p.m. that night, officers spotted the bus at a petrol station. An unsuccessful traffic stop by officers led to a highway chase. 2 people were on board the bus, including the 27-year-old driver, identified as Bradley Paul McNamara, and a woman, identified as Rebecca Jo Whitehorn, 31 years old. The 60-seat bus travelled along the Bruce Highway and Port Access Road, veering onto the opposite lane, striking bollards, and narrowly avoiding a head-on collision with oncoming vehicles. McNamara was driving whilst disqualified at the time and was under the influence of methamphetamine. Police followed the bus at a safe distance until it entered a KFC parking lot at Annandale.
Box in.
Box that in. Highly drug-affected occupant. Open the door! Open the door! We need more cars here to box it in.
Officers repeatedly gave instructions to McNamara to open the door and exit the vehicle. McNamara ignored officers and slowly drove into the police van.
Do not drive! Do not drive the vehicle! Do not drive the vehicle! He's driving towards me. Block it! He's running the car. He's running the police car. Get out of the car! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the car!
The bus continued to move forward, running over an officer's foot.
I don't want to smash the window. It's plexiglass. Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the vehicle! No! Get out of the fucking car! Keep smashing it! Go! Yeah! You alright? Go. Open the door now! Let me out with the back here, people.
Can't say units, all officers okay, no officers injured.
Tango SG 348. I had my foot run over, but I'm all good. Just trying to get old mate out now.
Received 752 goes.
Lay down on the ground. Place your hands behind your back.
Let's go through this one. Is the emergency one?
Is it? Go on in.
Take that 750. Can we 4th entry?
What is it?
He's trying that now, boss. I don't know the I've got a leggy on board.
Anyone got some good grass?
Yeah, boss, we might need it.
The officers, with tasers drawn, entered via a broken window and took the keys from the ignition.
Has anyone seen the back? Oh, she's there.
You, get on the ground.
Get on the ground as well. Lie down with your arms in front of you.
This is for up with a compass. Proceeding code
Do you want to boost me in?
There, he's here.
Proceeding code 2, University Drive. Unit 920.
Put your arms behind your back now!
Place your arms behind your back.
752, go. Managed to smash a emergency exit window and we've got 2 officers inside. 2 officers inside the vehicle, 2036.
Righto, you can stand up, sit down. Can you get up?
Tango Whiskey 710, received 2036.
Tango Whiskey 348, can confirm we got both those occupants under arrest.
348, 2036, 160, received.
As soon as he knocked him over,
Yeah, she's lying down.
160, 348, just confirmed that both occupants are now under arrest. That's the only 2 in the vehicle. Received.
Yeah, you drove over with the fucking bus.
Alright, what's your name? Get you to stand up on your feet in a moment. Alright, so you're going to roll onto your left side.
Yeah, I've got a broken rib, eh?
You got a broken rib. How's the easiest way for you to get up?
I broke it a couple of weeks ago, but...
Alright, sorry. You okay? Alright.
You gonna walk or what?
Yeah, we're trying to. I'm just stuck on this.
Where's the mail?
Is there anything else on the bus?
have you got anything you shouldn't have on you? Is everything on yours?
Yeah. No, he rammed us.
Do you want to go for the next van?
What's that one there?
That's ours.
I'll do him a quick search.
Has he been searched?
Oh, yeah.
Find out which officer got knocked over. One of them got run over.
Mate, can you just back up for a minute, mate, please? Is anyone injured here, mate?
Oh, I just got glass from getting through.
Alright. Right, yeah. Hold himself. Don't.
He's got jocks on.
Don't move.
Who was it?
Alright. Stand up. Stand up straight.
Has he been searched properly? Searching properly?
I got no gloves, man, and I've got cuts on my hand.
Right, have you got anything down your jocks?
I think you state your full and correct name. Bradley McNamara. Where do you currently live, Bradley?
Oh, I should have recognised him. Be careful with him, he's super violent. Bradley McNamara.
Are you injured at all, mate?
Is he cuffed?
Yeah.
He's got glass on your feet, that's it? No other injuries?
We need to get the breath test done, no? When he gets sick.
I would assume do a search. Alright.
Or blood.
Yeah,
Stay calm. Alright, you got anything on your person you shouldn't have?
Yep.
Nothing concealed down the front of your pants?
He was driving, wasn't he?
He was driving it. She was in the passenger seat.
Hey?
Did you get knocked over?
Oh, he ran over my foot.
You all good?
I think so. I'll get it checked out later.
And then he knocked this one. He was by the side of it and from where we told us.
Let's get him searched. We'll get him inside.
Get him in our van because it's not in damaged.
This one's damaged, that's alright. We'll get him searched, we'll get him settled, then we'll get him to the hospital with one crew. Suck him up.
Right, we're going to another vehicle. This one's broken.
Just be careful, we've got film, everyone's filming this. Yeah. So just professionally.
How much does it take, Bradley? Just so we can monitor your health.
Yeah, we'll go to the van.
Throw him in that one.
Now a little bit, a couple of points.
You're on him?
Yeah, I just cut myself smashing a glass.
Right, so I'm Constable of Queenstown for Rapid Action Patrols. Mate, you're under arrest for unlawful use of a motor vehicle, alright? You understand that?
Where's your keys?
Not in my car, not my
Yeah.
car. Mine was open. Yeah, open. It's open.
No, it's unlocked.
What's your date of birth, Bradley? Watch your feet, mate. Just checking out for injuries. You've got the glass. Tango Echo 400. This one here. That's the worst. It's out now. So it's
McNamara was taken to the Townsville University Hospital for mandatory drug testing. 2 officers required medical attention, one having multiple fractures.
Alright, just stuck under this.
Yeah, when he stopped squeezing my arm, because there's no reason.
Alright.
Literally to hold me that way. I'm sick of males holding me that way.
Do you want... Thanks. Fuck.
You got anything on you shouldn't have?
No? What? There's nothing on there.
Alright. We're going to have to just take off this backpack behind the cuffs.
We'll have to take the cuffs off.
Alright, so just keep your hands nice and still. You go, please.
I'm just going to conduct a quick search before we place you in the vehicle. My name's Constable Benny, registered number 38153. Anything on you that can harm me at all? Any sharp?
No, 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 no. I'm not even on drugs.
Any property on you at all?
No.
Who's the other person that was in the bus?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Just take a deep breath and keep nice and still while we do this.
You got a bra on?
Look, it's fine. Go for it. Go. Nothing.
VCAR to Tango Echo 400. Yeah, Tango Echo 400.
Alright.
400, can we get you
You're right to jump on?
Yeah, sure.
Yep.
On Uni Road as well. In relation to this instance, just code 3, we'll need a sergeant on scene to deal with the problem. No worries.
Time is 8:42.
How good's that, eh? What a gig.
That's all about the last 30 Ks.
I get out there with a torch in his face. Both of us there.
Was that you down at the intersection down here?
Yeah, saw ya, and we saw him come in. I'm like, smash, get in front of him, stop it, because he was parked.
Could have stopped it out there. Bradley McNamara, he's a shit.
Yeah, he's a.
I've known him.
He's been on the longest.
Starters. Yeah, like don't stop it out there when there's no one else around. We could have just done it.
Oh, who's got? I gave my baton to someone. Thank you. I'm very tired after that. Oh fuck.
I thought he was going to drive straight to KFC after he...
Well done, guys. You've done a great job.
Thank you.
I followed all this.
Yeah, he saw it.
Fucking forgot that one.
Oh,
Tango with you, 7.
but I'm fucking yeah. That is hard glass.
Good, eh?
I
was trying to get
I'm
up here.
wrecked.
Emergency exit.
I just wanted to get a big hole enough to put a taser in
Yeah.
case it
Yeah,
tried to take off again. He drove straight at me with that bus.
Yeah, and
Mate, it's a wonder he didn't
You sure you're
keep
okay?
going, eh?
Mate, yeah, I was like, please don't. I got the card just in front of him and he just nailed it. Oh, there's no way you're going to stop that with any car.
As soon as he gets over, I think you hit the glass.
Think you should have gone to that,
Jumped up and
that job, eh?
Just went straight to the emergency exit.
Yeah. Oh. I didn't think the front was going to be that hard, but I just wanted to cover him in case he went for the driver's seat again.
well, as soon as we still smashed the window, we jumped out.
Good, quick on the stingers, good shit. I just don't know if I traded blood with him, that's all.
Alrighty. Good work. Mate, FCU was doing this. I'll get them to do everything.
Who got the stingers under there?
Kevin?
Work. I got a sledgy. All today we got a new truck, we got it all loaded up. I got a sledgy, so I said you might need a sledgy.
As soon as he hit the glass, he got run over.
I'm all good, like I'm walking on it, but as the adrenaline wears off, it hurts.
Yeah, mate. Who are you with?
Me.
You with Cardi taking?
Yeah, and I boosted Luke up to get in the thing and
Hang on, just everyone stay. I'll just get FCU out. I'll bring the bike in.
I'm all good, I'm good.
And I'll get everyone.
feel like a small car.
Just remember everyone.
Yeah.
Whitehorn was charged with enter premises with intent to commit an offence, unlawful use of a motor vehicle, and serious assault of a police officer. A judge sentenced her to a good behaviour bond. McNamara was charged with enter premises with intent to commit an offence, unlawful use and dangerous operation of a motor vehicle ×2, evading police, serious assault of a police officer, and driving under the influence while disqualified. McNamara pleaded guilty to the charges and was sentenced to 4 years imprisonment with an immediate parole eligibility date due to 428 days already served. Thanks for watching.